Hey there, Jeff Bridges here. I'm gonna name some puppies. See what we got here. I'm gonna call this guy Jock. This little puppy's name is Or, short for orange, but I'm colorblind. This dog reminds me of a dog I love very much, and so I'm gonna name this dog after one of my favorite dogs, Corey. Corey. Come on, Corey, come on. Ah. This dog's name is Gene. Whip hand for her. There's Gene. Yeah, now back. Yeah. Ah, okay, good. Oh, what? This guy's name is Job, after Jabba the Hutt. Oh, they're so sweet. Yeah, maybe just call him Sweet. You sweet? Ernestine. There's Ralph. Oh, now this dog, this reminds me of my first dog. What do they say about your porn star name? It's your first dog and your first street that you grew up on? My porn name is Daisy Kingsland, and here's my dog, Daisy.
On and on and on. I said, and it's on and on and on.